Passport makiria ma igiri nicabithitio wiki ino cietereire kuoywo ni ene wabicini cia thama kauntiini ino ya Nakuru. Komicona wa kaunti ya Nakuru Lyford kibaara makiria nianiriire ati passport ingi makiria ma 5,000 ciri mihang'oini ya gucabithio na thutha wa wiki igiri nicigukorwo ciarika. Oho Komicona Lyford akiariria andiki mohoro wabicini cia thama kauntiini ino ya Nakuru augite ati passport iria citakuoywo ni ene niciguteyanirio ni thirikari kurumirira ikinya ria watho.
But not follow up and check up on our RRI that we started with the ministry, that is the immigration, with the department on 22nd. We have an RRI for about 100 days, and moving forward after that we want to make sure that the issuance of passports, both at the people who are applying, we shorten that time, and again we make sure that the pending passports that we are not collected are collected within that period. On 22nd, the time we started, we had 7,119, and as we sit here, or as we check around here, we have issued from that time 2,029 passports. So we have a balance of 5,905 that are still pending here. One, we've noted a number of challenges. Initially, the passports were being sent by EMS to the Postal and Telecommunications in Nairobi. Then after that, they distributed to the regions. So we have seen there used to be a delay in that. Secondly, the applicants who have been applying for passports, probably they did not give out the correct telephone number. You may find that because they do it in the cyber guy does the work, including sometimes using his telephone numbers and all this. So when it comes to messaging, those messages would go to him. Others, we found a number of the applicants, pengine they are on these soft loans.